All right, it's a new year and you want to learn Blender. So in this video, I collected a ton of YouTube channels in every single category that you are going to want to watch if you want to learn from those specific categories. Now, there are two ways that you can learn Blender. You can either do it for free here on YouTube, or you can pay for some courses and kind of fast track your process. So for each one of the categories that I bring up, I'm going to show you one or two YouTube channels and a course that you can watch in order to learn that particular topic. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. All right, so we're gonna start out with your sort of entry, how to use Blender videos. A course format is always the best. Now there are 3 free courses to watch. My favorite, and the one I always recommend, is the one from CG Cookie. It's gonna teach you everything you need to know to get comfortable with Blender. Of course, there is the most famous and most popular one by Blender Guru, and of course I can't go without mentioning his. And another really cool one is by CG Fast Track. There is no paid course. I would not recommend paying for a course with this. There are readily available free, amazing courses, and those 3 are really the best ones in my opinion. Next is motion graphics, my favorite topic, and my YouTube channel is the one for that. There still really aren't a lot of motion graphics channels on YouTube just yet. So even though I'm biased, I think my channel is the best channel to learn motion graphics in Blender. We're talking about learning shading, how to use that in motion graphics. We're talking about geometry nodes. I have about 2 years of motion graphics focused geometry nodes tutorials, and pretty much my entire channel is focused on motion graphics. It is a huge resource, and I'm very proud of the work that I've done. In terms of courses for motion graphics, I recommend my course that I released last year. It is 14 lessons and 7 hours of content that is going to teach you how to use Blender to make really, really interesting motion graphics. Again, 7 lessons that are going to output a really cool animation by the end of them. I highly recommend it. And if you use this code, you can get it 35% off forever. So if you ever choose to get it, you can use this code at Blender Market. Probably the biggest topic that everyone needs to learn is modeling. Polygon Runway is probably my favorite because they just have so much content on the internet where you can just watch hour-long videos on how to model a scene, or even shorter form content on how to model. And there's just, if you binge that channel, you're gonna learn almost everything you need to know. If you want to get a little bit more specific into hard surface, Josh Grambell is the guy. He has so much content. You're going to learn so much from his videos, and I highly recommend his channel. Now, for courses, the best one is the 3D car modeling course. I don't think that's the official name, but it's this course. You are going to learn how to model cars from the ground up. And even if you're not into more hard surface car style modeling, everything you're going to learn is applicable for other different styles and use cases. It is a fantastic course. Procedural Materials. It's a topic that I used to pretty much make my entire channel about, but I think Ryan King is the best channel for that still. I mentioned him last year. I'm mentioning him this year. He's still making really great procedural material content. He also does other types of content too, so he's a good channel just to watch all the things that he comes up with to create. But if you want a channel that has a lot of procedural material stuff, he's definitely the guy. CG Masters has a fantastic course that I have personally watched. It really transformed what I knew about math nodes, what I knew about procedural materials and mixing and all of the stuff that goes into making a procedural material. Their course is definitely the one to check out. All right, when it comes to geometry nodes, it can get really, really complicated really fast. So I think it's good to have some channels that are more advanced and some channels that are more for beginners. Now, my channel is definitely good for beginners if you're trying to learn some really basic concepts with geometry nodes, but learn how to actually make some cool stuff with a minimal amount of nodes. That's always been kind of my goal the past 2 years making them. So if you want more geometry nodes, simple, cool, fun, my channel is a really good one for that. Right next to that, for a much more advanced topic, is Zan3D. I found him this year. He's one of my favorite channels that I found this year. For learning geometry nodes, he's made me so much better at them, and I highly recommend his videos. He's very detailed in what he talks about, and it's just a fantastic channel. Right after that would be CG Matter and Default Cube. Subscribe to both those channels. He does all kinds of stuff, but when he talks about geometry nodes, it is cool. Highly recommend his channel. And for courses, my course. Just a few months ago, I released a Intro to Geometry Nodes course. It is packed with so much stuff. The first half of the course will teach you all the processes that are going to help you follow the back half of the course. So the first half is very practical knowledge. Back half is applying that knowledge to more real world situations, and you walk away with some really awesome procedural animations. Again, you can use this code on that course indefinitely, and you can get 35% off. All right, character design. Character animation, rigging, the whole umbrella of character stuff. My favorite is Southern Shoddy. He's also one of my longest friends in this space, and his content just keeps getting better. And he has some absolutely phenomenal videos that are going to help you learn how to create an interesting character, learn how to rig characters, animate them, just simply having fun with characters. If you want more of a free course in learning how to create characters, CrossMind Studio is the best. He has such a fantastic course. It's a bit older than what I would normally recommend for something to start now, but I think all of the stuff that he talked about in his course is still applicable even with new updates, so it's still compatible. And for a character course, there hasn't been one that has released this year, but really it doesn't matter. It's still compatible with the newer versions, is the Alive character course. So much content. It is a huge course. I highly recommend it. When it came out, it made a big boom, and it is still just the best for character design. Now, for lighting, I said it last year, and it's still true this year. There isn't really a channel that is definitively like the lighting channel. There's just random videos all over. It's more of a searchable topic, but Gleb Alexandrov has a awesome course on how to create cinematic lighting in Blender. It is jam-packed with content. It is really good. Gleb just makes the best courses, so I highly recommend his course with Creative Shrimp. This is the first year I get to have a VFX topic because there are some new channels that do VFX. The first one is Enlight VFX. Now, he hasn't uploaded a whole lot this year, but his whole discography, if that's the right word, but his whole discography of videos is fantastic with learning how to do VFX. He's one of the best. And back to Enlight VFX, he just released the best VFX course that exists on the Blender market that I have been able to find. It is really good. He launched it as a Kickstarter a couple months ago. It did really well. He has an amazing audience, and it's just a really, really good course. I'm personally going to watch it when I find some time, but you can just tell it's one of those courses that is really going to stand the test of time. All right, sculpting. I would say it's Grant Abbott. Now, Grant Abbott does a lot of things. He does characters, he does modeling, and he also does sculpting. So when it comes to sculpting, I would go to Grant Abbott's page, type in sculpting in his search, and watch all of those videos. There's tons of sculpting channels. He's just my favorite one. I would highly recommend his videos, and he's been around for so long. He's so good at it. So definitely subscribe to him. And for sculpting, and I will probably say this every year I make this video, the human course, probably the most impressive course I've ever seen released in the Blender community. And it's just incredible. The amount of hours of content in this thing is insane, and you are going to walk away a professional if you watch every minute. So I highly recommend the human course. Now with environments, I would say definitively still is Max Hay. He has so many videos. He uploads very consistently. He's incredibly talented. Love his videos. And for courses, he has a few courses that I would also recommend. So if you want to check out some courses, he's got several that I would say kind of browse and see what is the best for you, what'll suit what you really want to learn, but I recommend every single one of his courses. All right, honorable mentions. In the past years, it's just been a huge list of channels. I really consolidated it this year because there are just so many channels that aren't specific. They don't do specific topics or processes. They're just channels that use Blender and make good educational or entertaining content. And these guys, I would say, are a must subscribe. And there's just so many people that I didn't add in this video. And what I encourage is if you think of some channels that you think other people need to follow, definitely put them in the comments. There's just a lot of people I didn't mention, but what I would recommend, subscribe to all of the people that I mentioned in this video. And once you start watching their videos, your YouTube algorithm will give you even more people. So it's just a big circle of really cool creators. And I recommend you following all of them and learning. And Blender is really cool. And it is the best program and it's the best community. So with that being said, that's it. I wish you good luck on learning Blender. I hope you have some fun. My recommendation is don't give up until you've really done a good bit of learning for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, it gets a little bit better if you're consistent. But again, I'll see you guys in the next one.